Hello. Today we will demonstrate how to correctly operate the beveling system for tubes, specifically the Phyton model from the ES series. These machines are designed not only for beveling, but also for the division of tubes, ranging from an external diameter of 25 millimeters up to an external diameter of 914 millimeters, spanning the entire model line. The machine's basic packaging comprises a ring assembly with 2 tool holders, 4 clamping jaws, a drive unit with smooth regulation of rotation speed, a basic set of cutting tools, and a set of inserts for fine adjustment of blade positions. Before installing the ring on the machine tube, we strongly advise performing a careful preliminary presetting of the clamping jaws to ensure correct alignment and proper seating during assembly. We subtract the outer diameter of the machine tube from the inner diameter of the ring. We then divide the resulting value by 2, thereby obtaining the basic position for each individual clamping jaw. In this case, the inner diameter of the ring is 200 millimeters. The outer diameter of the tube is 114 millimeters. By subtracting these 2 given values, we obtain a measurement of 86 millimeters, as shown clearly. When 86 is divided by 2, it equals 43 millimeters. Therefore, the outward extension of each individual jaw will be 43 millimeters. Just at this very moment, we intend to install the ring on the pipe. We progressively and evenly tighten the opposing screws, while simultaneously and carefully verifying that the ring still maintains a truly precise right angle with respect to the central axis of the pipe. Right now, we are going to install the drive unit. The machine's basic equipment includes 4 cutting tools, 2 punching tools for dividing the tube, as well as a 30-degree and a 37.5-degree knife. Now let's show how to correctly install the cutting tools. The ring is equipped with 2 tool holders. Each of them has 3 positions. We will always set the tool holder so that it is as close as possible to the outer diameter of the tube. We will position the tool holder in this setup so that we have a sufficient travel stroke available in order to machine the entire thickness of the tube wall. For the safe operation of the machine, it is necessary to operate with 2 tools at the same time as a standard practice. First, we will determine whether we want to divide the tube only or bevel it for the needed outcome. For dividing the tube, we install 2 piercing knives facing each other in this arrangement so that the cut is made clean and symmetric. In order to carry out the chamfering operation, we select 1 piercing blade and 1 chamfering blade. Let us install the cutting tools required for carrying out the beveling operation as part of the setup procedure. To adjust the correct mutual position of the tools, we will utilize the included dilatation spacers. The blades of the cutting tools must be installed in this precise relative position to one another, as needed. As the very first step, we consistently install the piercing knife. The next step is the careful setting of the reference point, the so-called 0 point. The cross-section of the tube does not have to be perfectly circular at all times. To prevent unwanted collision between the tool and the tube wall, we will set a safety clearance of 2 millimeters. Now we will switch on the machine and activate the mechanical trigger of the automatic feed mechanism, which is located at the bottom part of the machine. At this moment, this is the proper time to install the beveling tool. Everything has been precisely and thoroughly calibrated and fully set. Let us begin the final stage of grooving. For cooling and lubrication during the grooving operation, we strongly recommend using our moly inox oil. And that's it. Please remember that if you ever need a bevel on continuous pipes, it is perfectly possible to split the ring and reconnect it directly on the pipe. I'm really looking forward to seeing you again in the next video. Bye now.